Hey guys, welcome to EduHubSpot PMP Mindset video series. In this video, I'm going to talk about communication and information management on predictive projects and on the agile projects. How the different methodologies, how things are done in a different manner in both the predictive and the agile projects. So we're going to talk about that. But before we do that, I want you to make sure you have this awesome EduHubSpot mindset tool. And how to get that, I'm going to explain that to you at a later stage of this video. But before we do that, let's go right into the topic. So when you are at the home page of the mindset tool, click on the communication and information management. Okay, let's read it. Prior to sending communications to stakeholders, make sure to examine their needs and ascertain what they need, how often they need it, and how they would like to receive it, and who will provide it to them. So that's on your predictive projects. The waterfall technique is built on a defined procedures that support effective and accurate information transfer. Information transfer must be done precisely and formally documented. So I would say that, on the predictive side, it's much more structured. It's much more done in a structured way. Okay, the communication and information to be shared with others. It would be well documented. Keep that in mind. And you know that documentation on agile side is just good enough, barely good enough. The best form of communication is face-to-face interaction. Utilizing a whiteboard and markers are enablers of clear communication. We all know that face-to-face communication is always the best, but it does not necessarily mean that you have to do that on agile. On predictive side also you can prefer face-to-face, but of course whiteboard markers are used. Information should always be radiated through the use of large charts and graphs, such as the use of kanban boards, burn up or burn down charts. So on the agile side, you have information radiators which are used to give that information to stakeholders. It's kept on a area where it could be clearly visible. Everyone has easy access to it. So that's how information is shared. On the other hand, on the traditional side, information is very well documented. It is structured, is shared through like your status reports or it is defined in the communication management plan. So it's in a different, much more structured way in the predictive side, I would say. Let's do a question. The product owner has prepared a short, concise, high-level summary of the project's key success factors, its goals, approach, authorization, and purpose to undertake the project, etc., to establish a shared vision among stakeholders, team, and all involved. What is the name of this artifact? Product vision statement, elevator statement, data sheet, or charter. Now clearly, if you see this question, I am 100% sure that most of the people will actually pick answer A, which is product vision statement. But the product vision statement is about product's vision. But this question is not really about just the vision. If you see this question, it says, product owner has prepared a short, concise, high-level summary of the project key success factors, its goals, approach, authorization. You don't have authorization in vision statement or elevator statement or data sheet. I don't know even a document. The purpose to undertake the project. The purpose to undertake is basically your business case, So all that is actually part of your project charter. So your correct answer should be project charter. If you got this question wrong, it's absolutely fine. It's a tough one, not a big deal. I mean, it's just given to explain it to you. You can click here to see the answer explanation. Okay. You can also click on the video over here to understand the question in detail. I've explained that in detail. So you can watch it over here also. Okay. There's another question. If you want to practice it, you can definitely do that. But as you know, I would ask you to go on the home page first, and I want you to practice this question on your own. How to get this tool for free of cost? Just go on my website www.eduhubspot.com. When you go on my website, you will see two options over there. Either bottom right hand side, you will see an option of chat, click on that chat option, talk to one of my team member, or you request a demo, book a demo, and you will directly, based on the timeline, you can connect directly with one of my team member, and they're gonna set up a 30-minute Zoom call with you. Now, what is the purpose of this Zoom call? They're gonna explain you how to use this tool. They're gonna understand your background, what you are doing, how you are doing in your studies, and they will give you some pointers. After the end of the call, of that Zoom call, they're gonna email this mindset tool for you free of cost. If you are my student or if you are not my student, you will, irrespective of that, you will get this tool free of cost. Only thing I ask from you is go on my website and talk to them. Give us those 30 minutes, because ultimately I want to make sure that I'm impacting your life, not just by helping you pass the PMP exam, but touching your hearts. That's my end goal. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm gonna explain this entire 15 concepts, everything. Like before the real PMP, you have to watch these 15 sections, wear your PMI hat in order to pass this exam successfully. And don't forget to send me an email when you pass this exam, because these emails help me a lot. It motivates me a lot to make something as beautiful like PMI Mindset tool, which I did. I hope you guys liked my video on communication and information management as part of the Agile Mindset series. Next video I'm gonna talk about is risk management. So stay tuned for that. On the other hand, you can watch my most favorite video over there, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.